Sir, the council members today will discuss about the objective of IIC, type of activities, features of IIC portal for quarterly report submission mechanism. The council members will discuss about collaboration with organizations to accelerate the activities of IIC. The council also will deliberate on quarterly action plan in synchronization with activities and incentives of other departments, centers and faculties in the institute working toward promoting IPR, innovation and startup. The council has decided to conduct all the IIC activities in regular basis throughout the year and meet regularly in beginning of every quarter to review the progress made in previous quarter and also to plan for upcoming quarter. The council has agreed to convene next meeting in the second quarter. Over to Dr. Thompson.
A very good afternoon to all the faculty members and designatees of Institute Innovation Council. It gives me immense pleasure that we have successfully completed the calendar year 2023 to 24, timely conducting and submitting all the activities as prescribed by Institute Innovation Council. As Vice President and Convener of IIC IMT College of Law, I wish and aspire to continue our efforts towards inculcating a spirit of innovation and entrepreneurship among all our students, thereby increasing the job creators in the country. The IMT College of Law has been proudly participating in the ranking processes of the Institute Innovation Council and aspire to follow the success of the preceding years being achieved by IMT College of Law. As convener, I take this responsibility of timely conducting all the activities prescribed like MIC activity, self-driven activity and the celebration activities. I believe together we can achieve this target and achieve good ranking in the calendar year 7.0. In today's meeting, we will be discussing about the schedule of the activities prescribed by Innovation Institution Council, the method of execution of all these activities and the duties and responsibilities of all of you as coordinators of Institute Innovation Council. So now I will be reading out the activities that we need to conduct in quarter 1 and quarter 2. So today's agenda is to review IIC 6.0 quarter 3 and 4, 23 to 24, planning of IIC 7.0 quarter 1 and 2, 24 and 25 year, action plan of IIC calendar activities, celebration activities, MIC driven and cell driven activities. So I will be listing some of the activities that are planned for quarter 1. Institute Innovation Day, live session on MIC programs and schemes, National Entrepreneurship Day, Education Day, workshop on entrepreneurship and innovation as career opportunity, organizing a session or a hackathon, session on basics of entrepreneurship and intellectual property rights, my story, motivational session by successful innovators, session on problem solving and ideation workshop. We will also organize some self-driven activities along with this. For quarter 2, we will be conducting workshop on design thinking, expert talk on process of innovation development, workshop on effective sales and marketing strategies, field exposure to pre-incubation units, field exposure to AICTE, Idea Lab, Fab Lab, Makerspace, etc. Innovation Showcase, National Pollution Control Day, Energy Conservation Day, National Youth Day, Startup Day and Science Day. So I wish all the faculty coordinators of various activities all the very best for the upcoming session and calendar 7.0. Now over to Ms. Hema Rana.